Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in Clickup step by step. If you manage leads, track deals, work with clients, or organize sales workflows for a growing business, building a proper sales pipeline can make your entire process much easier to manage. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, sticky notes, or scattered updates, Clickup allows you to keep everything organized in one centralized workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a pipeline using Clickup templates, customize the stages, and manage your sales process more efficiently from start to finish. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to clickup.com. Sign into your Clickup account using your login credentials. Once your workspace loads, look toward the left-hand sidebar where your spaces, folders, and projects are displayed. Click into the workspace where you want your sales pipeline to live. Choosing the correct workspace is important because this determines where your deals, contacts, and tasks will be stored and managed moving forward. Now look for the plus icon, which is commonly used throughout Clickup to create new items and workflows. Click on the plus icon to open the available options. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. This is one of the most useful features inside Clickup because templates save a huge amount of setup time. Instead of building a pipeline completely from scratch, Clickup provides pre-built systems designed for sales tracking, project management, marketing workflows, and much more. Once the Templates page opens, locate the option labeled All Template Types. Clicking this ensures you can browse every available template category instead of only seeing limited recommendations. Next, move your attention to the search bar at the top of the Templates page. Click inside the search field and type Sales Pipeline. As you type, Clickup will begin filtering the template results automatically, making it much faster to locate the exact workflow you need without scrolling endlessly through unrelated templates. Once you find the Sales Pipeline template in the results, hover over it carefully. You should now see a button labeled Quick Use. Click Quick Use. Clickup will instantly add the template into your selected workspace. In most cases, the template already includes common sales stages such as lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed deal. Now comes the important part, customization. Although the template works immediately, you'll probably want to adjust it to match your own workflow. For example, your sales process may include additional review stages, onboarding steps, or follow-up tasks, depending on how your business operates. You can edit stage names, change statuses, add custom fields, assign team members, set deadlines, and include priority labels to better organize your deals. Another helpful tip is to add automation rules whenever possible. Automations can move deals between stages automatically, notify team members, or trigger reminders when follow-ups are overdue. This reduces manual work and helps your pipeline stay updated consistently. You should also make sure the correct permissions are enabled if you're working with a sales team. Giving team members proper access allows everyone to update deal progress, add notes, and collaborate more efficiently. Once everything is customized, you can begin adding leads and tracking opportunities directly inside your new pipeline. Over time, this creates a much clearer picture of your sales performance and helps you identify bottlenecks before they become larger issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can create a fully functional sales pipeline in Clickup, customize it for your business, and manage deals far more efficiently in one organized system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.